Hello and welcome to this answer explanation video. This video will take you through the answers to the tens and ones worksheet and will talk you through some of the tricky bits. In this video, I will take you through the answers to the tens and ones worksheet. So let's start with question 1. Use a ruler to match the representations that show the same number. Now, we have lots of numbers represented in different ways here. We've got straws, we've got number pieces, we've got base 10. First thing I'm going to do to make things easier is I'm going to count up the representations that are not written in numerals and write the correct numeral underneath. And this will make the matching really easy because I've got to match my A, B and C to 1, 2 or 3. So let's start with A, which is my straws. So I've got 3 tens, 1, 2, 3 and 2 ones. 3 tens and 2 ones is 32. Okay. So B is already written as a numeral, so I can leave that one as it is. C, I've got my base 10, 2 tens and 1, 2, 3 ones. 23 is my number. Okay, up here I've got 2 tens and 3 ones, which is 23. And number 2, where my number pieces are, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. 46, and down here just my regular numeral 32. So now I've written which number each one is representing, I can start to match them up. So I've got 32 represented here, and I can see 23, 46, 32. So A goes with 3. Okay, B 46, that leaves me with 1 23 or 2 46. So B and 2 must go together. And then my final one, 23 with my base 10 and 23 up there. So C and 1 go together. Okay, moving on to the next question then. It says, complete the sentences and draw base 10 below to represent each number. First of all, I'm going to draw the number that I need, and this will make it easier for me to see the tens and ones to complete the sentences. So I'm going to need to draw my base 10. So we've got, first of all, 16. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 10 and ones. I can see that I've got 1 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. And I'm going to do the same thing for B. I've got 42, so I'm going to draw it. 42 is 4 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 2 ones. And again, now I can see it really easily to complete my sentence. I've got 4 tens and 2 ones. And I've completed the sentences and drawn my representation. Time for the final question. It says Ed has been representing the number 48 in 3 different ways in straws, the part whole model, and base 10. Is he correct? Explain your answer. Again, I'm going to count up the numbers represented and write each numeral underneath. So let's start with our straws. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, which is 44. 48's already been shown on my part whole model, so I know which number's being represented there, 48. Now for my base 10. 1, 2, 3, 4 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, 44. Now Ed says he's represented 48, but he's only used the part whole model to represent it. The other 2 representations show 44, so he's not correct. If he wanted to make 48, he needs to add 4 ones to each. So if he added 4 more ones, altogether he would have 4 tens and 8 ones, which is 48. Over here with his base 10, if he added 4 more ones, he would have 4 tens and 8 ones, which is 48. That was a video on the answers for the tens and ones worksheet from Classroom Secrets. If you want to watch a video tutorial linked to this skill, then visit kids.classroomsecrets.co.uk. For more resources to support this learning, visit classroomsecrets.co.uk.